Hello, little learners. Today, we're exploring the wonders of the rainy season. From sparkling raindrops and colorful rainbows to playful frogs and cozy umbrellas, let's jump into the puddles of knowledge together. Raindrops. Raindrops fall from the sky, making everything wet. Puddles. Puddles form on the ground as rain collects in low areas. Rainbows. A rainbow appears after the rain, showing a beautiful mix of colors. Umbrellas. People carry umbrellas to stay dry during the rain. Wet trees and plants. Trees and plants get covered in water as the rain soaks them. Thunderclouds. Thunderclouds gather in the sky, bringing rain and storms. Lightning. Lightning flashes brightly across the sky during thunderstorms. Frogs and snails. Frogs and snails come out to play in the wet weather after it rains. Water flowing. Streams and rivers rise and flow faster as rainwater enters them. Birds and ducks. Birds and ducks can be seen seeking shelter or playing in the rain.